Welcome to Sunday Strategies, your business booster.
In episode 20, we're discussing IP ownership edge.
How to create, protect, and monetize your IP.
Join us. Let's get started.
AVGC XR industry is growing at 25% as reported by CAGR. But are you still billing hours or building assets?
Welcome to IP ownership edge, where service meets sovereignty.
Today's business booster is all about how studios move from work for hire to creating originals using local stories with global appeal.
Let's talk about transmedia. Transmedia means your IP works across comics, games, and XR. This equals multiple revenue lines from one idea. Start building your transmedia empire today. One folklore, one comic, then a game, then a virtual concert. That is not creative clutter, that is a revenue chain.
Absolutely, it's about building an ecosystem. Turn your IP into enduring value with three powerful lanes. Originals, own it, build it, scale it. Co-productions, share risk, unlock scale. Licensing, leverage IP, earn continuously. Fueling creativity with Maharashtra. Co-productions with global partners, you keep IP, you share revenue, not just fees. Policy incentives now cover stamp duty and electricity for new units.
Today, we're in our virtual studio.
Behind us is an LED wall with real-time Unreal Engine renders.
This technology opens up endless possibilities. Ad campaigns, film shoots, virtual influencers, your virtual production stage can bill 15 to 25 lakh rupees per day. That is service with high margin. Fund your own IP with that cash flow.
That's a great point, Anjali. Today we're diving into AI in production.
Yes, let's see the cost savings.
Exactly. Look at our data overlay. In-betweening sees a 45% cut. Storyboard is 30% and Lipsny 5%.
It really helps with IP ownership.
AI cuts pre-visualization time by 60%. Use save budget to develop your own characters. Don't just deliver assets, deliver legends.
Exactly, Akshay. That's how you build real IP value. Welcome. Let's look at a case study from Studio X. They shifted from 100% service to 40% IP revenue in 18 months. They started with 2-minute webtoon pilots, tested audience, then built a pitch deck for OTT co-production. Same team, new economics.
Today we explore the IP edge in XR. In EdTech, 3D simulations bring science to life. Healthcare uses VR for risk-free surgical train-walks to some of your XR creations. Entertainment is exciting. EdTech and healthcare pay bills. Bundle your XR capabilities into annual B2B licenses, not per project.
That's a smart strategy for sustainable growth.
Today, we're exploring creator-led IP.
Let's look at our Creator Lab, where a YouTuber's character becomes a game main asset. Creator economy in India has over 100 million consumers. Co-own IP with digital creators. They bring audience. You bring production. Win-win.
Let's look at the margins. Service-based is only 15 to 20%.
But with IP licensing, margins jump to 50 to 70%.
And revenue share provides a recurring income stream.
That's the power of owning your IP.
1 crore rupees in service revenue equals 15 lakh rupees profit. 1 crore from your own IP licensing, even 10% of it, equals 50 lakh plus margin. Math is simple. Courage is hard.
You produce in India. Government reimburses 25 to 30% of eligible production spend. That is risk capital for your next original.
Start with one micro IP, a 90-second pilot, release on YouTube, then NFT or game skin. Own the trademark from day one.
Exactly. And for protection, register your copyright early and use NDAs. Step 1. Audit your last 5 projects for reusable assets. Step 2. Pick one regional story. Step 3. Run a virtual production test shoot. Step 4. Register a trademark. Step 5. Pitch one co-production.
Stop selling time.
Start owning worlds. This is Business Booster episode 20 signing off.